this video, I can tell you how you can add the multiple numbers in seconds in the Microsoft Excel. Here, these are the numbers, and I have used this formula to add and got this answer. Now, here I can tell you how you can add the numbers in seconds. Now, you can use the key Alt and plus sign. Alt and then press plus sign together. Plus. Have you seen this? All the rows, all the column selected, and here is the sum, and all these are selected, and I can press enter. This will be the sum. Same apply for this one. Alt and plus, and then same enter. Wait, sorry. Alt plus enter. Same. Have you seen this? And same for this. Alt plus enter. Same for this. Now, in this way, you can add the numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.